I've just gone and bought a new project car. How about that? Guys, I'm super chuffed today. I've just gone and bought a new project car. How about that? I got that excitement, you know? That first wage check excitement. That first girlfriend excitement. I'm all chuffed. Now, bang for buck, I don't think you can get a better car. I challenge anyone, put it in the comment section, I don't care. I don't think you can get a better car for the money, so let me show it to you now. You ready? Cue the music.
Audi Beats.
Cars are kind of small when you're 6 foot. Welcome back anyway. As you can see, I've got myself an Audi TT as a project car. And what a fantastic little car it is to get to start doing little mods and stuff on it. Now this one's a 2003 Audi TT in Ava's Blue, which is a premium colour, I'll have you. Well, at the time of manufacture. And yeah, 225 4-wheel drive for under £1,500. You can't beat it. It's impossible. You tell me another car you can get for that money with those sort of tools. It ain't happening. So really, really fantastic car for me personally to start with. And I forgot a part, and it's turbo. We've got a turbocharged car for under £1,500 and 4-wheel drive. Now I had one of these a long time ago. My kid was just born and he's 16 now. So when I had that, I had a cabriolet one, and it was just so much fun to drive. It was nice, pokey, gripped well. They're just like little go-karts, and they're so much fun now, and they've really come down at a pricing point which they're fantastic to buy. So this is what we're doing it. We're doing it with an Audi TT. I'm not sure if this car's been remapped, but from what I can tell, it's pretty much stock. And with it being pretty much stock, it's pretty much stock with the problems it's got as well. This car has got plenty of problems, but fortunately nothing too major, but just lots of niggling bits that are quite consistent with a 16-year-old car and a 16-year-old TT. But that aside, absolutely fantastic little car to jump in, drive, run around and do your bits and pieces. So this is going to be the new car, for the new project car for the channel, and that's what we're going to be putting on over the next 3 months, 4 months, and updating you videos on that hopefully. But yeah, really good. I'm really happy with it. I don't know if you've had a TT before, anyone, but they are quite small. They're really, don't even think about it if you've got kids, because there's absolutely no space at all in the back of the car. So yeah, this is where we are. Now this particular car has got a BAM engine, B-A-M engine, that's what they call the engine code. And it's got variable valve timing and forged rods. It's a bit faster, bit stronger, the internals are stronger. So they can handle upgrading and boosting and bigger turbos and remapping a little bit better than some of the other engine codes. So I've got basically the best of the Audi TT range in a nutshell. So yeah, this is it. What else am I going to tell you? Yeah, but before you go, let me just show you the inside of a TT, just in case you haven't seen one before, because you know they're quite unique in design, and for me personally, I still think the interior is reasonably modern. When I say modern, in a retro way, a retro style modern, like it doesn't ever go out of fashion. But let me show you the inside of the TT. Let me get out so you can see it. Okay, so to start off, all leather interior with aluminium dressing all around. I'm sure you've seen it before. The only thing on these TTs, these things here start to wear out a little bit, which is a bit ugly, but really premium quality stuff. Now the space is really tight in here. It is really tight in here. When I say tight, I mean that's the back seats. And those back seats are for someone my size sitting in there. So it's really, really tight in there. I haven't cleaned out this car or anything. I've just left it as it is, and to my excitement, that's what I've done. So we've got these round retro style dials, all nice and like a brushed aluminium. Same thing here, premium quality TT over here. And this is what I mean by this car. You've got to remember that this car was about £30,000 new, so you know it wasn't a cheap car at the time. But they are very tiny, they're quite impractical, but they're very fast and you get a lot of bang for your buck. Now one of the things that's wrong with this car, and I'll give you a proper list later on, look at that display, disgusting. And the temperature gauge, we're going to sort all that out. I'm going to show that in another video. The previous owner installed the stereo, that's all nice and stuff, but won't close. We've got this which is just wobbling about, a bit beaten up. So there's a few little bits and pieces that are not quite great. We got all 4 wheel caps missing. But still, in my opinion, a good looking car for the age, in my opinion. So look, a little bit of dent there. Don't know if you should be able to repair that really, and that too at the bottom, but nothing inconsistent of a car of its age. You can see it's still a reasonably good looking car. If this car was a woman, it'd be a MILF. I don't care. But anyway, that's pretty much it. I'm really excited with this car really, because I know how much fun these can be, and they're just point and squirt. They drive like little go-karts. They're so much fun. So hopefully we're going to be showing that in the channel. Don't forget to comment, rate, subscribe, and click the notification button, because I'm going to be putting up more videos, more stuff, more everything, so you can actually be entertained. And it's fun anyway to show you the stuff that I do as well. So don't forget to comment, rate, subscribe. Now, do it now. Done it? See you later.